The claim is that me as a secularist, I can't appeal to morality because morality isn't it's not in the physical domain, and I'm more or less a materialist. Like that's the claim.
No, I would say Richard Dawkins would say free will and morality are many more. It's not just Richard Dawkins. Many atheist moral theorists would say these are simply misfirings from an evolutionary process, and we're lucky that they've misfired in the way they have.
Okay.
So free will, consciousness, morality, all these immaterial things, they don't really exist. They just seem to exist.
Okay. So your claim then will be that morality objective. It's almost like math. Like math is like it's immaterial, but it's you can point to it. So that means there's an objective answer to the trolley problem. You should have a real answer to the trolley problem if morality is objective. What's your answer?